That's it? I don't think so. There's definitely a sensation when you're going up. So we are taking elevator 3B up to 16, and you can feel a diagonal lean to the right. Feel it, Chris?
Yeah, it's crazy. That
Catherine.
it throws you a little bit.
To the right?
Yeah.
Or to the left?
Oh, I don't know. I guess it'd be to the
I
left
kinda
because I'm
feel-
following.
yeah.
16. Okay. So Catherine was right. Yep, let's go this way real quick. So if you guys didn't know, you know who this is behind me. Chris and Catherine from the Midlife Ride. Earn that money, honey. This is behind the scenes of Catherine. Guess what, guys? This is another Walk Around Wednesday, and if you swipe that way, look who's here. It's Chris and Catherine from the Midlife Ride. No, this is not a menage a trois video. They have been gracious enough to invite me to check out a room here at the Luxor. So I'm gonna give you a 360 room tour. I'm gonna try a different way. I'm not gonna walk around. Instead, what I'm gonna do is just plant this, talk about the room, and you guys can swipe around. If you're new to my channel, please think about clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I guess I should take off my mask. If you're fully vaccinated now, you can actually walk around without your mask, and they're not asking you to prove it. So we are facing south, and McCarran Airport is to the left. To the right is Raiders Stadium or Allegiant Stadium, and this is what the room looks like. So Catherine said this is a king size room or a king room, which is a king size bed. And to the right is an executive desk without a chair, and Chris pointed that out, and he's right. There is no executive chair, which is kind of weird. Just for perspective, I have the camera set at about 5 foot. I'm 5'5", so if you're a short person, this is what this room would look like. It is recently or has been renovated. I won't say recently because I don't know when they renovated. If you were laying down, this is what it would look like from your bed. There's Chris. He is your bartender today. The armoire, or I guess this is a closet. Yeah. Typical closet. Ironing board, iron, hangers, LED light. It's nice. So you have an entertainment center where I guess if you brought your own TV or a video gaming system, you've got HDMI ports, you've got video in, video out, outlets, and it says iPhone, iPad, iPod. If anyone still has an iPod, leave me a comment down below. I won't make fun of you. I just want to know if you still use it. Drawers. And again, I'm gonna put a link to Chris and Catherine's video of the room tour in case I miss anything. Chris was joking. He said it won't be out for 5 years, but they do find more things than I do. When I come into a room, I'm just here to sleep and then I leave. These drawers though are pretty cool. They are soft shut, so you get it close enough and then it pulls it in. That is neat. And then we think this was probably a money mini bar. Now we're at the back corner. And yeah, this looks like a nice sized room for a king size. A little bit of dust here and there, but Since I don't stay in these hotel rooms, I can't tell you, but I think Catherine said that's not uncommon to have a little dust build up. Full length mirror, kind of full length, and a luggage cart. So this is the bathroom, and it's a good size. There was some facial hair in the sink. And then you have the shower. It is a half partition shower. I'm assuming that the water pressure isn't so high that it's going to bounce off the wall and onto the floor. So that was the 360 tour. I appreciate Catherine and Chris for letting me come into their room and vlog it for you. Let me know if you found that interesting. I mean, I don't mind doing room tours. They kind of get repetitive, but I'm hoping this 360 gave you a different perspective of what this room looks like. So if you did like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content and when they upload new content. So be sure you subscribe to the Midlife Ride. Their channel is always in my description. So guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next video.